Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to stop Roblox crashing. So let's get started. First, try restarting your computer. If Roblox has recently started crashing, press the Windows or Mac button, go to the bottom right, tap the power icon, and select Restart. Once your computer turns back on, try running Roblox again. If that does not fix it, right-click the Roblox launcher and select Run as Administrator. When the security prompt appears, click Yes. This often solves launch issues. Next, consider reinstalling Roblox. Open your computer's settings by clicking the Start menu, then select Settings. Go to Apps, then Apps and Features. Search for Roblox, find Roblox Player, click the three dots beside it, and select Uninstall. Confirm by pressing Uninstall again. To reinstall, open any Roblox game, for example, Please Donate, and press play. Roblox will detect the missing player and begin downloading and installing it. Once complete, press join and the game should run normally. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.